Hello, hello student. These are the different conditions for obtaining well-defined and steady interference pattern. Steady interference pattern means the bandwidth or the fringe width of dark and bright fringes, they are equally spaced in interference pattern. We get the steady interference pattern. Some conditions are required. First condition, two sources of light should be coherent. Two sources of light should be coherent. What is meant by coherent? The source emits the wave having the two waves or two sources of light are emit the waves are in phase. These two waves are in phase. Therefore, that sources must be coherent. The two sources of light should be coherent. They emit the light they are in same phase, same frequencies. That sources are known as coherent sources. Second one is the two sources of light must be monochromatic. Two sources of light must be monochromatic. Third condition is two interfering waves must have the same amplitude. Two interfering waves having the same amplitude. Next condition, fourth condition is the two slits should be narrow. The distance between the S1 and S2 is very small. That distance is very small. Distance between S1 and S2. The distance between two virtual sources is very small. Means the two slits should be narrow. Next condition is fifth condition. The two waves should be in the same state of polarization. Two waves should be in the same state of polarization. And last condition is the separation between the slits and must be that the two slits are separated by a distance small d. Small d is small as compared to the distance between slit and screen. Means small d is very small for capital D. Hence, where small d is the distance between two virtual sources S1 and S2 and is very small as compared to the distance between slits and screen. Means capital D. Where these are the 6 conditions to obtain the steady interference pattern. This question is asked in board exam. Which are the different conditions to obtain the steady interference pattern? First condition is the two sources of light should be coherent. Second one is two sources of light must be monochromatic. Third is two light waves having same amplitude. Fourth condition, the two slits should be narrow. And for fifth condition, the two waves should be in the same state of polarization. And sixth condition, the separation between the two slits is very small as compared to the distance between slits and screen. These are the 6 conditions to obtain the steady interference pattern is obtained, and the well-defined and steady interference pattern is obtained. These are the required conditions.